You can't buy friends, Royce Bedoys. Royce Bedoys, I'm bored. Want to play with me? Nope. Can't you see I'm busy? You're busy with what? You're just sitting there doing nothing. I'm pondering what to do, Lois. That means I'm thinking deeply. This is big kid stuff. You wouldn't understand. Ooh, I have an idea. Hey guys, want to hang out at the park? Busy today. Nope, sorry. Can't make it. They better not be having fun without me. You guys want to get on Roblox later then? No, not today. What? Some friends they are. I don't need them. I need them. I really do. Fine, I have other friends. Lois! Lois? You say you wanted to play with me? Sure, I can squeeze you in my busy schedule. What did you want to play? Shall we? I'm already having fun without you. So sad, I know. But you're just cutting paper. How is that fun? It's little kid stuff. You wouldn't understand. Maybe you should go ponder again. I don't need any of them. I can find other friends. Hopper, Coder, you guys want to hang out at the park? No, maybe next time. Dude, why is it so hard to get anyone to come out? Are you sure you don't want to come out? I have something for you guys. What is there to think about? Come on, guys. It's something cool and it's free. Free! Okay, sure. Aw, shoot the dude. What do I give them? 15 minutes later. Well, hello, my new best friends. We're gonna have so much fun. First, sorry to cut you off, but I'm kinda busy. Me too. What did you bring for us? Right. Here I have a Digimon poster? Thanks! Don't go anywhere, Coder. You get a Digimon t-shirt. Cool, thanks. You're welcome. Come, let's go play on the swings. Okay. 10 minutes later. I have to go now, Royce Bedoys. Me too. Thanks for the free stuff. But I haven't pushed you on the swing yet. Don't you want to get pushed? Maybe next time, Royce Bedoys. Bye. Wow, how ungrateful. Psh, I don't need them. Hey, Thorn, haven't seen you in a while. Want to meet up at the park? I'll give you $2, please. Fine. Yes, now that's a good friend. A few minutes later. Hey, kid, where's the money? Here you go. Let's play. Thanks. A lonely boy is always a lonely. I'm available now. Do you still want to hang out? Are you kidding me? Of course I do. Sure, I guess. Meet me at the park. 5 minutes later. Hey, Royce Bedoys, want to play volleyball? Sure, but I don't have anything left to give you. I just gave away my last $2. Huh? Why would you have to give me anything? I don't know. I thought I had to give you something to be my friend. You can't buy friends. Duh, now I know. Hopper and Coder left after playing for a few minutes. Thorn just took the money and left. He didn't even pretend. Royce Bedoys, people become your friend for who you are, not for what you can give them. So they're all fake friends then. Well, you can't blame them for taking free stuff. Friendships take time to grow. You can't just rush them with gifts. That's true. I guess I didn't understand how friendship works. Why didn't you show up earlier to tell me this? I gave away all my favorite Digimon stuff. I'm here now, aren't I? By the way, is there anything you can give me? What? Just kidding. Phew. Parents, if you'd like to support our stories, you can visit our shop using the QR code on screen.